Hello, I'm Kyle with Toddy, and I'm here with Julia, and today we are going to show you how to home brew some fresh, quality cold brew coffee in the Toddy Essential Brewer. Julia, you want to kick us off?
Yes, absolutely. So this system is so easy to make cafe quality cold brew at home, and I'm going to show you how. So we've got the Toddy Essential Brewer. First you start off with the valve assembly, and it's super easy. You just want to snap it on and then twist it so that it is in the timer symbol. And that way it is going to keep all of the cold brew goodness in the brewing container until you're ready. I'm going to grab a paper filter. You just need one filter per batch. And this is kind of where the magic is.
It's definitely where the magic happens.
This is the same type of filter that the coffee shops around the world use to make your favorite cold brew. Toddy Blend coarse ground coffee is one of my absolute favorites. And I am going to open it up. Simply tear it off. And you have amazing.
It smells so good.
I love that. I love that. And you just simply pour it in the bag. So at Toddy, we believe fresh and quality is super important, but not at the sacrifice of convenience. So this is specialty grade coffee that is specifically roasted and ground for cold brew, and it's pre-measured. And we put it in packaging that keeps the freshness locked in, so you're not compromising on freshness in order to get that convenience. So this is 8 cups or 64 ounces or 1.9 liters of fresh water, and I am just going to pour it over the grounds. Just do it in a circular motion to try to get everything, all of those coffee grounds in contact with water. You don't have to be super precise, and enjoy those aromas coming up.
I'm gonna say with every splash of water I get a new scent of coffee, and it smells amazing.
And like I said, we're not compromising on freshness, and so you really can't see it from this angle, but the coffee is bubbling up when it comes into contact with water, and that's how you know it's fresh. It's called off-gassing, or in the coffee industry we call it blooming, and when the coffee and water come into contact, the CO2 gases are released, and that releases some of the amazing aromas and starts the brewing process. So you want to give it a stir to make sure you're breaking the bloom and getting all of that coffee and water to start extracting. And that's it. Just going to twist up the filter on the top, put the lid on, and it is brewing. That's all you need to do.
Yeah, we recommend that you brew anywhere between 8 to 24 hours. At Toddy, we do about a 16-hour brew time just to get a coffee concentrate that'll last for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Usually, I think at Julia and I's houses, it doesn't necessarily last that long since people are drinking it so fast, and it's quite amazing.
Yes, and when you're done with brewing, you'll simply put it on top of the essential pitcher, and then you'll turn the valve from the timer to the drain, and the fresh cold brew will go into the pitcher. You'll put the lid on, stick it in your fridge, and like Kyle said, it is going to be amazing for all of your favorite cold brew drinks.
And that is how we at Toddy make cold brew simply better.